So, hello, my name's Allan, and today it's about using the bottle of water, the glass of water technique to manifest your desires. So, let's start with saying that everything responds to love. So, if you want a manifestation to come to you quickly, you have to find something that you really love, really like. And once you get that feeling and that vibration, you'll put the intention of what you want into the water and it will accept it fully and completely. But don't just say, I want a brand new car or I want a raise at work. Just find that feeling. So, as a demonstration, here's a bottle of water. What I'm going to do is I'm going to set it aside first. I'm going to think about something that I really love. I love my little dog, Katie. She's such a nice dog. She likes to sit on my lap, and she's so respectful. If I tell her to leave something, she will leave it. So I really do love my dog, Katie. I want to find that feeling. I want to think about her, what she does, how she makes me laugh, how she runs in after a walk in the rain and just spins around like a helicopter. And once I have that feeling, I take my glass of water and I say, glass of water, I want A, B, C. This is what I want. I could put it to my heart and say, please bring me the object of my desire. And you'll always thank the water. Thank the water for whatever you want. And then as simple as that, you open the water, drink it. Thank you for bringing me what I want, water. And my name is Allan. I'm the Mind Alchemist.